Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again. Today, in this video of the ITRSXCEL course, we complete exercise 2, Excel interface.
Please Tom, let's start with the ribbon.
Okay, so
ribbon. This is where our commands are, and you can see it splits into different sets of commands, and we can choose those sets using these ribbon tabs at the top. It's the insert set, and here's page layout, and you'll see that for each of the ribbon tabs there are different groups of commands. Let's look at an individual command. We hover over margins, an informative help prompt appears, and then if we go on and click the margins button, we can apply a whole range of settings in one go, or go down to the bottom for more detailed settings. You'll notice that some of the groups have odd little buttons in the bottom right hand corner. These display the more detailed options that don't fit on the ribbon tab, so if we click this one for page setup, we go to the detailed page setup options. We can choose whether or not our ribbon is displayed all the time. This button up here gives us access to the ribbon display options. We can just show the tabs, hiding our ribbon commands, or we can show the tabs and the commands. Probably better to keep the commands visible, certainly when you're first using Excel. You can also do that by double clicking the tab itself. So here you can see we double click to hide and then double click again to unhide. Now, whilst you can see a set of commands while the window's a particular width, if you change the width of the window, you'll see that the ribbon condenses to show fewer commands in each section. And then if we widen the window again, those commands appear again.
Perfect. Stop the video and practice task 2.1. Then Tom will tell us more about the quick access toolbar.
The ribbon helps make our commands visible and provides lots of information on each command, but it can also make particular commands quite time consuming to get to. So for example, if we want to create a new workbook, we have to go to File, New, and then choose Blank Workbook. We could speed this up by using the quick access toolbar. Our quick access toolbar is currently shown below the ribbon. You might find yours is shown above the ribbon. You can simply right click in the quick access toolbar to decide whereabouts to show it. We prefer to show it below the ribbon because it has more room and it's a bit more visible. We can click this button at the right hand side to add simple tools, so we can add New, Open, Quick Print, and also Print, Preview and Print. As well as that short list of tools, we can choose any existing ribbon command. So here we're going to find and select, right clicking and add to quick access toolbar. That adds the command to our quick access toolbar. Our quick access toolbar could do with a bit of organisation, so we'll right click, go to customize the quick access toolbar, and here we can choose from a range of different possible commands, including commands on particular tabs. We'll leave it with popular commands and scroll down to the Save As option and click on that and add that to the bottom of our list. Now, we could do with reorganizing our commands into a more logical sequence. So we'll use the buttons on the right hand side to maneuver our commands to where we need them. And we could also do with providing a bit of structure. So we'll use a separator. Now, because we've chosen the Save As command, when we add, this time the separator won't go to the bottom, but it goes underneath the command that we've selected. Let's go and look at our quick access toolbar, and we can see now it's better organised with the separators between each section.
Stop the video and practice task 2.2. Then we work on the File tab menu.
Let's now explore the very important File ribbon. So we can click on File, it opens up what's called the backstage view, various file commands which we'll look at throughout the course. We'll just have a look at Open. We're looking at recent workbooks, and we'll see that 3 of our workbooks are pinned to the top of the list where they appear in alphabetical order. To include an item in this section, we hover over it, click on the pin, that pins it to our list. If we want to unpin it, we hover over it again, click on the pin again, and it drops back into its normal position. If we scroll down to the bottom of our recent list, we'll find the very useful Recover Unsaved Workbooks button, which might allow us to recover a workbook that we've forgotten to save. Now let's look at some of the other options. Let's look at Share. This enables us to share a document. We could save it to the cloud and invite people to collaborate, or we could email the document and invite them to collaborate. Look at the export options. We can turn our spreadsheet into a PDF or XPS document, or change to a different file type.
Stop the video to practice task 2.3. Then we will cover shortcuts and the mini toolbar.
Back to our spreadsheet view, we'll right click in a cell and we can see our shortcut options, and above those the mini toolbar with some important, mainly formatting commands. We can also access our ribbon commands using the keyboard. We can press Alt on the keyboard and letters appear beneath our ribbon tabs and our quick access toolbar commands. If we press one of the ribbon tab letters, then we can see letters appear for each of the commands within that tab. Let's now also copy a cell and paste it, and when we do that we'll see that we have some options as to how we want to paste the results of that copy. Finally, we'll go down and have a look at the status bar. We'll right click in the status bar, and you can see that we can control what we display in the status bar by customizing it using the right click. And finally, on the status bar we can choose different views of our documents. We'll look at these in detail shortly. For example, this will choose the page layout view of our document.
Amazing work here, guys. Now repeat the exercise again. But this time you need to take a screenshot for each task using the print screen key and paste them into the spreadsheet as instructed.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.